Hi, my name is Elena and you're watching Marvel's Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 12. Today I'm going to talk about internal shapes that you see them here. First of all, I'm going to tell you what they are. As you see, they look like our shapes, but what is the difference? The difference is that these shapes can become a pattern, as you see, but our internal shapes and lines, they cannot be a pattern, they cannot be even outside a pattern. They are just signs that we can use them on our patterns. So this is the difference. Let's start with the first option that we have. It is internal polygon / line. Its shortcut is G. I can say this is the more useful internal shape or tool between other three. You press G on your keyboard, then you here. Then you, for starting, you left click, and as you see, for the next point, or you can just do another left click, or if you right click, you can say how much you want it to be. For example, I want it to be 10 centimeters, and I press OK. Then I can have the next point, and I can make every type of shape that I like. And for finishing it, or you finish it on the where you begin. Or if you want just a line like this, you should double click. I clicked a lot. Another function that I personally use, as you see, for example, I want to know the distance between this point here to this point. I click, and as you see, I continue going forward. I can see the distance. Sometimes I use it as a meter. It was one of its functions. And another good thing about this is that, as you see, I have 4 lines. I cannot show you here, but you see I have left, right, and it shows me all the distances. So it is a really useful tool. And then another thing that internal shapes let you do is that when you finish shape, you can right click on it and convert it to hole. This is a hole. I can tell you that this internal shape thing is something for creativity. You can do whatever you want, you can make whatever shape you like, then you can cut it, and it is really useful. When you're going to delete, for example, I have this hole and I don't want this hole anymore, I can right click and delete it, and I don't have this hole anymore. The next one is internal rectangle. Okay, yeah, usually we use it for pockets, different types of pockets. For example, I choose this. If you left click, you can insert numbers here If you want multiple of this internal line, you can just say, you can choose the angle and the distance between the internal shapes, but they should be inside your pattern, and also their position. Press OK. For example, how can I use them? The pocket is in this. Let me see where I'm going to put this one. Okay, let's say I'm going to put it here. Okay, I right click here, clone as pattern. This is my pattern. Superimpose over. And like this, you can have a pocket like this, or if I convert it to whole, I can add a zipper on it. The zipper is another tutorial, but right now I'm just going to tell you how these internal shapes work. As you see, now right now we have two types of pockets, zippers. Okay. The next one is internal ellipse, that its shortcut is R. It's like other internal shapes. If you hold shift, you can have a complete circle. If you don't hold shift, you have an oval. It depends what you want. And if you just left click, you can decide the shape of your circle or ellipse based on diameter, radius, and circumference. And then also, if you want to have multiple circles, you can decide here. For example, I want something 20, 40, 30. Let's make a circle pocket. What did I do? Okay, I can do also another thing. If I hold shift Y, I'm on internal polygon tool or line tool. Double click here. Okay, do this again because I should click. If it doesn't let you to click where you want, if you want to have a straight line, not diagonal, you just let it in the middle and then right click on your line and extend / trim, or you want it to the pattern outline, that it goes on your pattern outline, or you want it until just an internal line that you have. This is your internal line, and that's it. I cannot cut it, but I can delete this. Okay, I should have done something else. I should have add point. Okay, right now I cannot have it. Nope, it doesn't let me to do it. I can have a simple, but if I want to add a point, I cannot have it. So I did it. Convert to coordinate. Now I did it. Oh my god, what did I do? Okay. I should add a point anyway. Add point. Now I do this. Press A. Clone as pattern. Okay, this can be your pocket or your patch, everything you want. And the last one is dart. Right now on this jacket, I cannot show you how dart works, but you know how dart works. It should be for waist and parts that you don't want your garment to be loose. So you were, for example, I want it here. You right click, yes. Then this is your point. You can say from the left, for example, I want 2 centimeters. From the right also, I want another 2 centimeters. Here from the bottom, I want 3. This is just an example. Also, this is the position that you can choose and press OK. Dart is the only internal shape that it immediately becomes a hole. And I think I told you everything about internal shapes. Yes, that's it. Yes, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.